To replace your Whoop password reset, follow this step-by-step guide. First, open the Whoop app on your device and navigate to the account settings. Click on the profile icon and select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Next, scroll down to the Security section and click on Password. You will be prompted to enter your current password for verification purposes. Enter your current password and click Next. Now, enter your new password and confirm it by re-entering it in the Confirm Password field. Make sure your new password meets the required security standards, including a minimum length and at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, and one number. After entering your new password, click Save Changes. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully updated. It is essential to use a strong and unique password for your Whoop account to prevent unauthorized access. Avoid using easily guessable information such as your name, birth date, or common words. Additionally, consider enabling two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. This will require you to enter a verification code sent to your email or phone in addition to your password when logging in. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely replace your Whoop password reset and protect your account from potential security threats. Remember to always use a strong and unique password and consider enabling two-factor authentication for added security.